Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Jeep Wagoneer, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So we're going to start by aligning the film to this section here. So to align the film, we need to apply Slip Solution to the headlight and to the tint. So spray it on the adhesive side of the film and on the headlight, and align the tint right on the edge here. And just make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the top lens here and enough to cover the lower section here. So meet it right in the middle. So right there is perfectly fine. Now all we need to do is lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure everything's still aligned. Grab your squeegee and tack it down with one hand. So secure it and make sure to remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. Make sure it's secured so you can move it around, and if the film doesn't move and it stays in that position, then you're good to go. All you need to do now is stretch the film, align it until you reach to that end. So in case the film did get dry while you were doing that installation over there, just apply Slip Solution again and just stretch the film to the design of the headlight. So you're going to stretch it going upward. So just stretch it until it reaches inside, and make sure to hold it in position. Once you have it up to here, apply Tack Solution and start tagging it down. So make sure you secure this section first. That way we could work with the rest of the headlight without having to worry that this might peel off. So secure this piece first. And once it's secured, now we can move on with the middle section. So just apply Tack Solution on top of the film, grab your squeegee and just tack it down, and just make sure to remove all solution. So make sure to go on top and on the bottom. And the last thing to do, once you finish tagging down everything, if you do see any fingers on the edges of the film, so for example around this curve, around here, and if you see any here, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution on each section, apply heat, and you can use your squeegee and your microfiber towel wrapped around it to tack it down and secure it. So apply Tack Solution on each spot that has fingers, wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee, apply heat, let the film cool off for a bit, and then once it's cooled off, you would just grab your squeegee and microfiber towel and tack it down. So what this does is you're tacking the fingers down with your squeegee, and what the microfiber will do is help remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. So it's doing two things at once, and you would just rinse and repeat the same step to each section of the film that has fingers, and then once you're done, you'll move on to the last step, which is posting the entire film. And before we move on to post-heating, just double check and see if there's any water bubbles behind the film. So just clean it off and double check all of the headlight. And if there's no water bubbles behind the film, we can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire headlight. The last thing to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution all over the film, and you would grab your heat gun and apply heat all over the entire headlight, and just making sure we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And if there's still any film lifting or any fingers, we'll apply heat just to help it tack down faster. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just make sure to take your time when you're doing this process. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.